Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll. This is my third video today, and I'm really glad to make it because a friend of mine, who was a friend of my mother's, my mom's passed away, but it was a friend of my mother's from the church, and I knew her when I was just a young girl, and young little gal, and not too little, maybe around 12, 13. I met her, and my mom was friends with her within the church. And anyways, she's been coming around the last couple years and giving me dolls that she finds from the yard sale. And she handed me, if you watch my video from not too long ago, she handed me a composition doll for $1, and that was wonderful. I just love the doll. Oh, I think she's beautiful. But anyway, she came the other day and she handed me another doll, and this is who she is. She is a Chatty Cathy doll. She got it for $1 at a yard sale. And the only thing is, what I love about her is, now I know there's a short hair Chatty Cathy. I just don't know if it was this short. Did a little girl get the scissors and do a little chomp on her? Or is that really how short her hair was? Because if she did chomp on her hair and took a little bit out from her, she did a great job because she's very nicely done. If not, maybe this is her length of her original hair. Her bangs are fine. Now her hair's dirty and everything. But what do I like about her? Well, I like that she's a Chatty Cathy and she's a brunette. I don't have one. I have a blonde one. I don't know much about Chatty Cathys, but I do remember hearing them when I was a little gal. Never had one. But anyway, what do I like about her? She's cracked on the side of her body, which means I have the belt for her and I have a pull string for her. So, which means I don't want to do it too much to her because later on I want to break her open and learn how to put that in. I've watched so many videos on it, which I will do again to refresh myself. She's droopy drawers right now. These drawers do not want to stay up on this plastic body. She needs an elastic in this. But anyways, she doesn't come with anything original on her, which is fine. We'll get her dressed to her day and everything and get her with my other gals as well. But I'd like to see if we can get her talking. But I had to show her to you. She is she looks like she's yellow-eyed. Now, did they turn color? Like she looks her eyes look yellowish, but I don't care. They look great, like I'm going to keep her eyes and everything in there, but she looks great. Otherwise, she looks like she's got a lot of life left in her. It's just that she can't talk. She's very dirty, which is fine. We'll clean that up just as well. When she gets her hair done, we'll be washing her right up. Now, what I have done before, I have worked on Chatty Cathy eyes, and I learned how to take them apart and to put new eyelashes in them. But hers, I think I might pop them out and clean them really good and then put them back in again. I don't know. They're just so gungy. So I don't know if that's something I'm going to look at. We'll see down the road. But I own a brunette Chatty Cathy. Woohoo! All right. I thought I'd make this short little video up about her. And like I say, for $1, you can't go wrong. So anyways, I will tell you when I'm ready to work on her. I do know, I have one with cloth over her voice box. And my daughter just came in, and when that happens, Mabel goes nuts because she loves my daughter. My daughter and her just get along so well. They're two peas in a pod. But anyhow, and Mabel can't contain herself. She has to cry. She just gets all excited when she sees my daughter. But anyways, this one doesn't have it, which tells me I'm going to say she's a later doll. The early ones I was told had the cloth over the voice box. So it doesn't matter. I don't care. I have a brunette one. That's why I keep coming back to the common denominator is what? I got a brunette Chatty Cathy, which is exciting. But like I say, I don't know if that's her original cut. If it isn't, I don't care. I'm going to enjoy her. But anyways, for $1, you can't go wrong. Thank you for joining me. Tell me what you think of my new Chatty Cathy. And are you excited to see when we rip her open? Because she's even cracked on the other side too. There's a small crack starting. So we can get her apart. And we can work on that voice box, getting that belt off, that old rubber belt. I have a new one sitting here. Oh, I'm excited to do that. That'll be exciting. But right now I got to finish what I got started, and maybe what I'll do is put her in a bucket as she comes up to be done, because these are exciting things to be done. All right, thank you for joining me. A lot more to come. Like I say, give me a comment, because why? That's our mail in the air. And if you're walking by or you're sitting there going, hey, I don't know why you showed up on my channel, but I like you and I understand why you do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you won't miss out on anything. And I do appreciate it very much. And to my old and new and in-between subscribers, thank you for being there and supporting me. We'll be talking to you again really soon. Bye-bye.